Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to install your rod level anchor kit. Before you begin, make sure that your posts and handrails are firmly mounted and that all of your rods are cut. We provide most of the tools needed for this installation. The only thing you'll need to provide is a dead blow hammer. Step 1. Setting the anchor. Insert the anchor fitting into the hole of the post. You may need to bend the ears of the fitting in to fit it into the hole. You also may need to use a dead blow hammer to tap the fitting into place. Once the fitting is securely inside the hole, use the provided anchor fitting tool to turn the anchor fitting inside the hole. This will make the fitting expand so that it cannot pull back out of the hole. You will need to crimp the threaded crimp fitting onto the rod. To get the best attachment, you will want to crimp onto the section of the threaded crimp shown here. Crimp twice onto that section. Step 2. Attaching. Push the rod with the threaded crimp fitting into the anchor fitting until it engages the threads. Then, turn the rod to make sure that you hide the crimp inside the anchor fitting. Repeat this on all the other holes on this post. On the other side of your run, you will be installing level tension kits. Click the link below to see how to install them and finish up your run. Or you can check out all of our videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.